Last time on No Direction Home.
Hopper and I get to enjoy one more beautiful day in the Arivaca, Arizona desert and stop and help out some fellow riders with a little problem with their Can-Am. So I spent a couple days in Tucson at an Airbnb. I just finished up the last weekend. I finished up that Arivaca dual sport meetup. Drove up to Tucson and hung out at an Airbnb for a couple of days. And now I'm headed about 60 miles east of Tucson to a sort of like it's called a desert sanctuary. It's like a dry camp on a ranch. It's on 120 acres, and they've got trail riding on the property, so it's going to be a cool spot to just camp, ride, hang out. Supposedly it's a very beautiful ranch and whatever. But as you can see in front of me, I have this beautiful view headed towards the mountains. We still got snow on the top of that mountain over there. I got on this is like the old highway that runs parallel to the main highway now. I think that this is called the old historic route, or historic Route 80. So the last few miles of this trip are dirt roads. It's pretty cool. Whoa. Now, sandy roads. So this is like the commune cabin slash studio. I don't know, like there's no easy way to say it. This is where the hippies hung out and practiced yoga and took acid and LSD and mushrooms and just did their hippie shit. That's what was going on in here. It's just the easiest way to say it. So it's great. It's beautiful building, and can make a fire. Actually, I might sleep in here tonight. I got a nice couch over there. So hang out in here, get in touch with myself, maybe drop some LSD, see what I see. When in Rome. So there's a ton of books left behind, and some of these titles are a trip. Wake Up the God in You and Live. You Can Trust the Communists. Conditioning and Instrumental Learning. Experimental Education. The Circle of Guilt. This is like Tim Leary dropped some LSD and
expand your mind stuff.
The guy that runs the joint, Dana, he said something about like an abandoned movie set or something. I don't know. He also said that there's like this waterfall place. He kind of gave me some direction, so I'm gonna go see if I can find it. So I think that this is the old film set, movie set. They must have been filming a Western or something. Who knows what they were filming out here. Try to find out what movie they might have filmed here. It's closed, it's gated, no trespassing, but over here on this sign it says, you know, private property, do not enter, but then it says film related inquiries may contact so and so. So that makes me think that this is actually the film set. Up there. Right on. Movie set. You can see some military helicopters in the distance doing some exercises. Pretty cool. And buzzards. Here's my third cattle guard. Here's my fourth cattle guard. On the left, this is all like private property with it's a ranch. That's not very welcoming. Yeah, so I'm here in Mescal, Benson Vale area, riding the roads, and another rider came by. This is Shane, and he's out cruising around. He's got a couple of bikes. That's a 650, Honda 650, 2002?
2002.
He keeps
650R.
650R, keeps it in great shape, looks beautiful. And Shane's just out here cruising around. Shane, I gotta ask though, what's the DIY solution you got with your helmet in the bag? The plastic bag on your helmet.
Oh, because when I go to work, it's 32 degrees in the morning sometimes. No air gets in this way.
Really? Keep you warm?
Yeah. The only problem is it fogs up my glasses, and when I got this, when my breathing kind of fogs up my glasses.
That's a pretty ingenious solution.
Yeah.
Got a bag around.
It keeps cold air from getting down my shirt and everything.
All right, well that'll work.
What I got to do is I have a compression release here that lets me get it going, you know. I get it to a hard right there.
Okay.
Now I get the compression release a little bit. Now it should start.
Beauty. All right, my man, you take care of yourself. See you down the road. So it looks like I got three options. That option over there isn't really an option because that's bolted closed. So hopefully that's not the route that the app wants me to take. Circle Bar Road and Eastern Mountain Road. And let's try going this way, see what's up. Alright, so I was wrong. No forest access, that's what I was looking for. Now according to my app, there is forest access, but this is as far as I can go. The Circle Bar Ranch. Let's try going this way, see what the app says. This is private property. This sign says dead end road, deeded land here, keep out. So this isn't the route either. Want to get over to those mountains. Anyway, we'll go take a break, look at the map, and see if we can find an alternate route. So I'm just headed back towards the sanctuary. I drove out. I'm not quite sure what the view. I mean, it's a great drive and a beautiful view, but I didn't really see anything that looked accessible from the point that I was supposed to be at. Just drove out and check it out, and now headed back. Might drive into town. So they used to film movies here? What movies have they filmed there?
Well, probably 3 of the top 10 westerns of all time.
No kidding. Which ones? Like Rio Bravo? Let me see if I can guess. Treasure of the Sierra Nevada.
No.
Rio Bravo. Okay. Giant.
Again, top 10.
Okay.
No.
Give me an act. John Wayne's got to be in them, right? The Searchers.
No. It would be Tombstone.
Oh, Tombstone with Kurt Russell and Val Kilmer?
The whole movie was shot here, except for 2 or 3 just quick shots out at Old Tucson.
Yeah, sure.
And
That's cool.
Quick and the Dead.
Oh, with Leonardo DiCaprio and Sharon Stone and Gene Hackman. That's a cool one. That was just on TV the other night. I caught the end of that movie.
Yeah, it's great.
Right on.
Yeah.
Do you work here?
Yeah.
What do you do?
A little bit of everything. It's just so important for me to keep my best job I've ever had in my life.
You like working here?
Are you kidding me, man? Would you live in this beautiful place? It's poetic.
It's awesome. What's your name?
JP,
J-
what's your name?
I'm Bob. Nice to meet you, man.
Funniest part, somebody came up here last week, shot a shotgun to our email address.
Through your mailbox?
And it blew the back part of it. That was last week.
They're keeping you busy. All right, what's your email, man? At Hotmail. J at Hotmail.
You gotta know I was one of the first Hotmail persons ever. Because I tried my initials. No. I tried my initials 1. And then I tried my initials.
So you were the second. That's great, man. That's cool. All right, JP. Well, listen, it was nice meeting you. Yeah, you got it.
Some cool stuff.
All right, my man. Take care. JP, the caretaker. Oh, man. Never get tired of the people that you meet, man. I'm telling you. Just meet so many crazy people.
Next time on No Direction Home.
Hopper and I meet up with some riding friends and go explore the deserts surrounding Tucson.